Hey, it's Chris from Peters and Associates again. I'm continuing my little set of demos here for the cool add-on business applications that we've built for our Peters and Associates HR portal. Peters and Associates HR portal is a site that can be deployed in your SharePoint online or SharePoint Server 2013 or 2016 environment, and it's designed to provide a place for your staff to access information that they need around HR forms, policies and procedures, handbooks, see HR calendar events, see birthdays and anniversaries for fellow staff members, search for employees, and access HR business applications. So the optional add-on application I want to show you today is our Employee Onboarding application. Some people call this a employee change request application. So the change request application provides an online form. You can access this really from any place that you have an internet connection, depending on your configuration internally or externally in Office 365. And when you get to the form, you have the options to set up tasks for new hires if a person is changing positions or if you're handling a termination. I'm going to go ahead and click the new hire. And so what this does is it pops up a set of fields specifically for the new hire function. Records when I'm making the request and when I need that request to be completed. So let's say that my new person is coming on board on the 13th. I can go in and I can give them information around, here's the employee's first name and their last name, and we'll say that this person is a developer, and I can assign a manager. We'll just grab one of those out of our Active Directory. Which department are they being associated with? I'm going to go ahead and say maybe that's with finance. Can assign an email to them, maybe Jones Peters.com, and an access card number if you want to. You notice that some of the fields are required and some of these are optional. I'm going to go ahead and save my request. So what the application is going to do is it's going to start up a workflow, and it's going to start creating SharePoint tasks for different groups within our organization. That's going to provide them with the due dates and also allows us to track their activities, making sure that they've accomplished the work that they need to accomplish. What's great about our Peters Onboarding application is that you have full control over configuring the groups and the types of tasks that you need to have accomplished. So this can be configured very specifically to your organization and your work processes. We provide a list, essentially a configuration file that allows you to manage the information in your individual tasks. If I go ahead and edit one of these, it'll give you an idea what this looks like. So I'm able to set up my task title, a description which can let the individual or group that's been assigned the task know what it is that they're supposed to be doing. I can set up which department is responsible. I can tell whether that task is active or inactive. I can also configure where this is a manager's task. So this gives it some specific functionality. And I've tied this to my new hire process. So what makes this great is that from a configuration standpoint, an HR person can come in, they can describe all the tasks that they need, they can set up all the tasks that they have to have accomplished, and they don't need to have the IT team help them to do this. I'm also able to describe the groups. And again, these can be SharePoint security groups that you can add users to. And I can also configure how often I want the reminder emails to go out to these groups as they accomplish their tasks. So it gives me a lot of flexibility to design which groups are going to be responsible for the different types of change requests. As the application processes my request, what it's going to be doing is it's going to be creating for us tasks. So if we scroll down through here, we also get through email. Application is going to start popping up a set of tasks. You can see one of those has showed up right here. So there is my task showing order business cards, and that's been assigned. So that works out really great. And the application will continue to designate those tasks. I can also use the task list as a mechanism for looking at what's the status of all of our different tasks. Is everybody's workloads being completed? It gives me that kind of overview report that lets me know what's going on. So hope you like our employee onboarding application. If you have any questions or want to get started with us, please feel free to contact your Peters account representative. Thanks a lot.